Guys, this is our only one for today. Okay, so I will explain first what is a Maven thing. Maven is usually like it's a like a build tool kind of stuff on. It's a software dependent tools. You have to download Maven like this. You can download binary zip means Windows related thing. Okay, tar.gz is Linux related one. So you can see binary zip or source zip. This is source code is there. No, we don't want. So we want this one. So we have to download this Apache Maven. Go to Apache Maven. Just type Apache Maven download. Then click on here. Okay. So click this one zip. If you can't able to see this is the one binary zip archive. Click here. So then you can able to download freely. It is of open source. Download from Apache Maven website. Okay. It is ready to download. Okay. And here given some of the commands for a Maven. So when you create a project, where do you want to download? I want to download it in my OS drive only. It is directly downloading. Okay, if it is not failed, then we will see. Okay, so whenever you're creating a project, so that time only you have to tell. So I'm creating Maven project, or you want to create a Ant, or you want to go in Maven, or you want to create a web project, a dynamic website project, like so a Maven dynamic website project, like that we have to create it. So then Maven related repositories will be added to the libraries. Everything is added to your project. So when you want to build it, like you want after you have done a coding completed, now you want to generate a jar file or var file. Java var file is there, no? Java var. So you want to generate a var file for building. So then you can use simple commands with the Maven. So to test your code or deploy or compile all these things we can able to do with the Maven. It is taking, why it is not showing completed? We will wait then. Yeah, it is completed. Show folder. Now it is a zip folder, right? So we can extract it, but you can copy into this one. So I'm copying, putting into my PC. Then how to put it? No, I don't want to upload it. Just leave it. Minimize, minimize. I'll try to put it in my E drive. So I put it in a E drive. I will show you this Eclipse or NetBeans. If I can't able to do with the Eclipse, then I can able to show you in NetBeans. So I'm copying to my PC first of all. Just very smallest one. So I am going to extract this one. Extract all. Where do you want to extract? I want to extract in C drive only. I want to extract in C drive, not E drive, because there is no installation, just extraction only there. Okay, so it's I downloaded only 9 MB something is there. After extracting it will taking almost 12 MB something. Am I recording this one or not? Why extracting is stopped? Goa. So all the names are there. Okay, so this is a Eclipse I downloaded like this from here. If you want, I will show you how to download Eclipse also. Free download directly you can download, and you have to double click on this one. Then it will ask the questions to download. It will take time. That's why I'm not showing now. Did anyone given him a question or messages? Very good. Salman finally came, but again someone missed. connection disconnection. uh, when we are hurry, it will give you bury, completely burying. So it is a very simple 10 MB file. I'm not downloading also, I'm just directly. Okay, so this is a Maven location bin file. Okay, so this is a mvn cmd swellback. Okay, cf2 config. But problem with this one is to work with the Maven. Problem is we don't have environmental variables. Okay, so we have to tell our system create a environmental variables part. Okay, there's no installation, just you have to tell this is your home path like this. So first I'm copying this bin path completely, I'm adding two environmental variables. Okay, so here I'm adding new, but you have to add other things also like m2. Okay, so it is in caps, so m2 underscore home, give the location no bin, so complete home directory. Okay, without a bin. And m2 also there, only m2 also there. I have given m2 underscore. This is the name of environmental variables for this one Maven. Actually it is Maven 3, but still they are using m2. Okay, now all. Okay guys, so this is how we will add, but we have to test it whether it is working or not. So going to normal cmd. So this is a cmd, right? So just anywhere you can put mvn hyphen version. No, it is not understanding mvn, so what I have to do, work is complete now, so I have to open the new cmd. Mvn, just put mvn is enough. It try to display some error. Yeah, yes. That is enough, that's no problem. Yeah, it is showing a Java version first and Apache Maven. This is here Apache Maven, and so it is, my system is understanding this. Okay, next what we required, we need a Maven project which is already built. This is Maven project 1 which is already built. I don't know whether it is working or not, but we'll see. I'll take that git repository, because in my system by physical system I don't have any other project, so I'll take git pull, cmd anything, no problem. First of all we should clone it, right? So I take the clone the project. Now if you see it's Maven project 1, so I'm going to cd Maven project 1. Now I have files in this one. Here how to do with the Maven thing, so first mvn clean. Clean means any additional repositories or previous repositories are added, that will clean. So first command is mvn clean. I'm using mvn clean, so it will take little bit time. Clean command will take time. First time clean, it's definitely take time. So where we can execute this command, inside a project folder only. Okay, so clean plugin, so first it will download that connections into this, so it is successful. Clean is successful. Now if you want to compile, mvn compile. So whatever the thing is inside, we don't know what it is. Something is going on, so we don't know what it is. It is connecting. It download actually the Maven repositories from Apache only, and it will do the process with our code. It is so doing so many things. It's look like a old movie. Something is going on. We don't know what is going on. Tick tick tick. How much time it is taking. If you go to this folder, you can see pom.xml. Okay, in this XML, you can edit. So it is given everything like what is the group ID, artifacts ID, and the snapshot and packaging. If you do package, it is in jar file only. It's like package name. If you are doing like dependency, it's dependency is a JUnit. JUnit version is showing like 381. Okay, where is it? Mine. Yeah, successful. Marvin thing. Okay. Next one is compile test. You can do it. So otherwise, clean text, clean and test. You can do it because when you do compile, it load a lot of dependencies, repositories, all these things. So we'll cleaning that stuff. Guys, you don't require to understand completely about Marvin. Okay, just think what is Marvin, and if you do 2 3 times, and if you create a projects, simple Java project and simple Marvin project, simple Java Marvin, or you can create a simple one Marvin. So then it is see, okay. The test is completed successful. If we still we don't know what is there inside also. So you can put a clean again, and after clean install. This another command is install. Another one is deploy is also there. Install means like a packaging automatically it will try to test you don't see what is the output whatever the code it is, we don't mind about it. So we see whether it is this stuff is working or not. Okay, test. So this is we are doing in manually, so I took the source code from the git, and I'm doing all these things in a cmd prompt. How to do same thing, same Marvin in a how to do same thing with git as a source code. First one is git as a source code, and mm, so this work we will use what we can say, git is a source, Jenkins is a automation that process. There is a lot of things in Jenkins, but we will see what is dashboard is loading again. So pipelining I didn't show, like if possible I will show you pipelining later. I created 2 users when last time. So I'm going to new. So I want to do new item, and enter the project name. But I want to do, you can do directly like a Mixtel project, or you can do as a Marvin project also. So I'm clicking on Marvin project. Here a demo Marvin project. Okay, so one project or two project. If I do second time, then I will put a two or put a one. Demo Marvin project. Marvin project. Okay. Okay, now this is Maven project. Okay, next source code git. We need that link, right? So I copied that link, or the copy is gone. So Marvin project one. My Marvin is in this one. Marvin project one. Okay, so I copied it. Just click here. So okay, the red color this thing is gone. I'm going to build directly. So when I said Marvin, obviously in a build, see, can you see this red color? Marvin needs to be known where your Marvin is installed. Please do tool configuration. You should do tool configuration. Okay, so we'll come back to this step. Okay, so currently we are going to save this thing, and we have to go back to the dashboard and manage Jenkins. Go to global configuration. We have to tell here where is your Marvin. So Marvin configuration global provider. This is where we get it. Already installed, right? So you need to install it. So where is the Marvin home? The location. You should give the location. I put it in a C drive wantedly. This is the location. Okay. Next name is why it is not look like a directory. A home, right? This is a home. Try. Yes, yes, it is. So I put a name when 3.6.3. This is my Marvin. Or you can use a name, complete name like this, Apache Marvin. Save it. So added I told to my Jenkins where is my Marvin. Now go to this is Jenkins. Okay, manage Jenkins dashboard. No new items. You have to see the old items on. So go to dashboard. So can you see this one? This is my project, right? So click it. Configure. Click on configure. Okay. So I will configure it again because it's showing error. Just wait for a 5-10 minutes, guys. Then I'll close it. So source code management, Git, good. Then go to build. Okay. Now it is that red color thing is gone, right? So in a build, so pre steps, build, post steps, build settings. Okay. These are pre steps. If you want to add a pre steps here, Marvel default version or this one, anything. So use clean. Okay, goal is clean. Goal and options you can do build. Okay, pre steps clean. Why what happened? No. What I'm doing is that let me finish my work. But at least it is functioning. Last batch what I said I put a 4 GB RAM. So then everything is faster but lot of mistakes. So I put a goal is clean. Actually if you click you can get more options here. Clean, compile, so mistake, compile, clean, test, you can put it, goals and options. again clean, install. Ah, okay, that is enough. We'll see remaining thing later. Okay, build now. We can do multiple times, right? So build now. First one should be work now. So this is, so build is going on with the timestamp. Okay, console output. We'll see first it is taking the code from Git. That is done. Okay, new Java is added. Something is happened. So this is a mvn command is running. So now it is taking that command. First is a clean. Let it go on with the clean. If you understand Marvin, then I can show you the pipeline also. Test that clean is completed, compile is completed. Now test is going on. Clean and test. It is clean and test. So key compile test is the last one, right? So that is I given the second part is in different ways. It is install. After testing, I given install only, right? Clean install. Now it is creating a jar file. It will be create, so you can see that one. I will show you. Test. Again, it is testing. Means install means it run everything. It is do everything. Okay. Okay. Stopped and successful. Channel stopped and successful, and it is generated jar file. This is the jar file is location. Okay, add to this one. So this is jar file is created archive. So if you want to see where it is created, I will show you that one. Okay, it is located in documents, empty folder. Okay, okay, no, not in documents. Here admin, uh, Jenkins, workspace, Marvin project. So this is where we got the data. This is target. Okay, so these are the Marvin Archiver reports and all kind of test classes. So this is a jar file. If you want to execute it for testing purpose, you can execute this jar file also, like java jar, that one dot something is there, no? Like, it will show something, no manifest attributes. So you have to give certain attributes for that one. How to execute that is you should know. But this is the package, final package is came up. There are, yeah, kept URL app application test. Because of last time guys changed everything. Not last time, because 2 years back candidates. src test java app test.java is it's an actual Java program. Main Java. See, so three classes are there. App Java, Captain Marvel, and new class. Okay, so three Java files are there in this one. Actually, so this is a pom.exe. So this is how we can able to do with the Jenkins with Marvels. So this is all are look like a boring thing, but still it is very important sometimes. So we have to work on Jira or Jenkins or any CI/CD. So these are common terminologies we are there. So if possible, next time Monday or Tuesday, if I have a time, I will try to show you that what is that pipelining. Same with Marvin pipelining. Okay, and also I'll try to show you. Otherwise, I will create a video. Okay, so when I will sit back and I'll create I will install Eclipse, how to add a git to Eclipse. Okay, guys. So see this one. So I want to close this one section because you have an afternoon section also there. Okay, these are the commands I will tell first. I use mvn clean. I used it. Okay, mvn compile, mvn test. So I put a clean text. You can use test. Clean space test means both commands will work. Mvn if you want install like a clean install. So it will remove the previous builds and clean install. Mvn clean package. If you want to make package like this, these commands I used it. I didn't use package yet. Okay, so this is thing. And these are other things. What is a clean? What is this one? You can know it. Okay. So here I want to tell something. So in a DevOps, guys, remember in a DevOps what we done? We done a Git and we done a Jenkins. Okay, we done a Jenkins, guys. I want something from Git. Okay, if you done Jenkins or not, or you done a Jenkins or not, I'm not asking you now. I want something you should do it Git. Whether you do it on your own GitHub. Please tell me if you done in your own GitHub, your own link. Please tell me that one. Otherwise, use my Git and you should add a files to that Git. I given a link ITIS 1 2021. So you have to add some file, at least one or two files. You just add a one file to that one. I already told you how to add it using a Git clone and adding it. So please do it at least once you do it. Okay, if you do, then only you will understand. Otherwise it's become a Greek and Latin type only. Like I like to watch Spanish movies, like you sitting on a screen and I will watching it. Okay, like you people watch Telugu movie or I watch a Marathi movie, it is look like same only. So we are watching, we don't understand anything. Like I watch Hindi movie type, I don't understand anything. Okay, so don't do like that. Just try. Get Jenkins. Try. If you are failed, then that's I will tell you how to be successful in Jenkins. I will give you a lot of options to complete the Jenkins also. Okay, but do Git first. That is my part. Okay, because next time when you will do it also, you don't know, I don't know. Okay, so this is the Git one. So next, Git Jenkins. In Jenkins, like using a Windows CMD, I use that one, right? Git as a source location, and also I told about how to execute a Java file. We use a Java file and Git as a source location for a, so mainly for a, we execute Java thing here. Take a location and Git work location. Next, I showed Maven, both installation, manual Maven. Next, Git as a source location. Now we use Maven now. Okay, Maven commands. So what are the leftover? Um, and Jenkins file. Purpose is pipeline. Okay, so we have to do the pipelining project Jenkins. In again, one more is leftover, that is called a Docker. Okay, so what is Docker? Okay, what is image? What is container? So what I didn't complete. This is I am writing from here. Okay, Jenkins files, Docker image, and what is container? Docker file. Okay, next Jenkins Docker. How to do this thing? Next Eclipse. Whatever it is. This is Eclipse installation or Eclipse or NetBeans. Anyone we should know IDE part. Okay, okay, Eclipse. Because once you become a developer, or maybe you want to be a developer thing. So Eclipse. How to put a Eclipse to Git link? Okay, Eclipse to Git link. How to put it? How to publish? How to pull? How to push? So that is important. Now Eclipse to Git. Okay, Eclipse to Docker. We can add it. We can add Eclipse to Docker also. Okay, so otherwise I will make a videos and I will keep it. Okay, try. Okay, Eclipse Git. I will show you. I will install Eclipse and I will make a video. I'll put it on YouTube. You can watch it directly. Okay, next Eclipse to Git, Eclipse to Docker, Eclipse to other servers like Tomcat kind of stuff. I will choose either it is Eclipse or uh, NetBeans, Apache NetBeans. Apache NetBeans is more easier. Okay, instead of Eclipse, I will put Apache NetBeans or Eclipse. So I will see. I will try both the things. I'll try both the things. Okay, how to add a Tomcat server. So like a Tomcat server is a web server. Okay, so that is that's no. So Docker file execution. Okay. Link the Docker and how to put a Docker file in that one. I will show you that one. Okay, so don't worry. You should worry about your things, but there is a simple questions are there. Important things. Git, Jenkins, Docker. These three things very important. What is a Git and what to do with the Git? What is Jenkins? How to do with the Git? That life cycle means how you create a project and all. Okay. Mm, Jenkins file is a very less chance, but depends upon you your way of giving answer. They may ask Jenkins pipelines. If it is not covered or maybe if you are not able to tell answer, it is okay. So this much deep, this is not a deep, but this much they don't expect you to be perfect in this kind of stuff. But if you try to give answer, that is good always. Next, what is Docker? That is also the last time people are asked question on what is Docker, what is image and container things. Okay, if it is not covered you can tell not covered. If I send a video, then means if I explained it, compulsory you should give an answer. Okay, or Jenkins and Docker, these are extra things. Okay, if you know this one, it is make you more easy work, like it is very helpful for next time. Okay, may not for interview, but this part is very easy for more understanding. If you more understanding, more easily you can tell answer. Okay, so there is these are the things. Okay, deployment, I didn't done anything deployment till, so I tried it, deploy part and monitor part. Now we didn't done. Okay, so Monday we'll meet you again, guys. Monday morning again 10 o'clock. So be there at 10 o'clock. So don't be late. 5 to 10 minutes is okay, guys. So 10, 10, 15 is okay. I'm not putting all the things together, but just be there at 10, 10, 15 max. Okay. So these are the topics, completed and leftovers in DevOps. I told about what is DevOps, SDLC, software development life cycles are important. Next, what is a waterfall model? Compulsory. If you are not understand, then you can ask your CSE guys already there, so they know it. What is agile model? What is DevOps model? Development and operations. And what is this continuous development? Continuous development, continuous testing, continuous integration, continuous deploy, continuous monitoring. Okay, what are the life cycles of that one? Next, what is a Git? What is a Git and what is a GitHub? how you use it. Just explain what you done. That is enough, guys. So what you done, what are you done? That's why I tell do it once at least, so you will understand. And what is version control system? In that one, we use a Git. Okay, right. Next, we use CI by CD. That is continuous integration and deployment. That is Jenkins. We used it, and you can tell other tools also. But what we use also we have to tell. Both the things we have to tell. Okay, other CI tools and what we are done. So what we do in Jenkins, what you practice, that is important. So you have to tell that one. That at least try to do once. Guys, if you cannot able to set your own Jenkins because of so and so reasons, sometimes failures is one of the reason, right? Because internet speed is slow, automatically it is failure. Last time it has happened 2 times for me, right? um, if you cannot able to do it, ask me, I will give you my PC directly. Like you can access my PC one by one, and you can do it remotely. I will give you control, you can do it. I have two PCs, I have two systems. Don't worry, this is one laptop only. I have original, I have a desktop is there with that is very good RAM also there. I will put a 4 GB RAM for your virtual machine, you can fastly can able to do it. Okay, so this is what we discussed today.